I've been doing affiliate marketing for about 2 years now, and I know the top 10 best affiliate marketing website you can make a decent amount of money from. The affiliate marketing industry is now worth over 17 billion in 2024 and has become one of the most lucrative ways to make money online and earn passive income. Learning how to do affiliate marketing can be essential to your success as an online entrepreneur. And even if you've got your website, art, or social media platform set up perfectly, you still need a company to partner with. That is where affiliate programs bridge the gap. In this video, I'm covering my favorite 10 best affiliate network that will enable you to grow your affiliate marketing business and make a lot of passive income. Before we proceed, what is affiliate marketing to begin with? Affiliate marketing is a marketing arrangement in which affiliates receive a commission for each visit, sign up, or sale they generate for a merchant. This arrangement allows businesses to outsource part of their sales process. How do affiliate programs work? Affiliate programs work by letting individuals or businesses create a profile on their platform and choose the brand they want to promote. The programs generate a unique link that affiliates can share with their site visitors, customers, and social media followers. When someone clicks the link and purchases from the brand, the affiliate receives a commission. Companies use affiliate programs to increase their sales. The programs are built on platforms that boast tracking technology to keep track with the affiliate. 1. Amazon Associate Affiliate Program. Amazon Associate has been one of the top affiliate programs for beginners since 1996. In fact, it was the first affiliate marketing program in the world. And since thousands of businesses are learning how to sell on Amazon each year, the potential for affiliates to grow is seemingly infinite. To get started as an Amazon affiliate, all you have to do is to click the sign up button on the Amazon Associate page. The commission rate for Amazon Associate is anywhere from 1 to 20% depending on the product type. The payment cycle is 60 days after the current month ends. Amazon also holds payment until you earn at least $10 as an Amazon Associate. The payout methods for Amazon Associates are check, direct deposit, or Amazon gift cards. Clickbank Affiliate Program. Clickbank is amongst the top companies with affiliate programs that appeal to all kinds of markets. Its affiliate information is completely open to anyone, making it a valuable affiliate platform to consider for your success. Clickbank started out of a garage in 1998 but quickly grew up to become one of the top retailing and affiliate websites in the world. It currently boasts a large number of affiliates who have earned billions in commissions promoting Clickbank products. Because of its success and 20 years history, it is a great platform to get started no matter your expertise. With tons of products to promote and a wide variety of companies to partner with, it is hard to pass up. Categories of affiliate programs on Clickbank include business and investing, arts and entertainment, travel, sports, green products, home and garden, just to name a few. To become a Clickbank affiliate, you will need to start an account, input your personal and payment information, and then finalize your account to get started. The payment cycle for Clickbank is weekly, and the payment methods are Payoneer, wire transfer, check, and direct deposit. Number 3, Impact Affiliate Marketing Program. Impact is one of the few affiliate marketing programs that connect individuals with top brands like Airbnb, Uber, Adidas, just to name a few. It is known for its automation tools to help streamline your campaign and generate more sales. You can join and manage partnerships with these companies for free. The brands span various categories including beauty, travel, retail, fitness, and others. After signing up with Impact, you get access to a marketplace where you find top brands and contact their affiliate managers directly. Impact generally pays by cost per action, which means you will get a commission when your audience buys something through your affiliate link. The commission rate for Impact varies depending on the brand. Payment cycle for Impact. You can decide which day you want to withdraw your affiliate earning each month. The payout methods for Impact are BACS, PayPal, or direct transfer. Number 4, Commission Junction CJ. Commission Junction is a 20 years old affiliate marketing program that has been helping affiliates and merchants since day one. According to its website, the company works with twice as many internet retailer companies than any other affiliate program. CJ also boasts that merchants favor its website twice as much as other affiliate marketing programs. And when you take a closer look at everything it has to offer, that claim seems to hold up quite nicely. Here is the vast list of niches you can find on the website. So with a reputation like that, it is not hard to see why it should be high on your list when considering which affiliate program to choose. 5. eBay Partner Network. eBay offers one of the highest paying affiliate programs on the internet. The eBay Partner Network is where you can sign up to become an eBay affiliate. Commissions here are in the 50 to 70% range. eBay gives affiliates the tools they need to promote eBay products with as little force as possible. No matter how you choose to market products, eBay affiliate program can be put to good use. Unlike some of the other affiliate marketing programs on this list, as an eBay affiliate, you'll be working directly with eBay and its products. While you'll be working to a small degree to help sellers, the primary relationship is between you and eBay. And just like Amazon, you'll be working with a platform that businesses want to sell on. With opportunities like eBay dropshipping, growth is virtually assured. As a bonus, eBay doesn't require you to work with it exclusively. You can be an eBay affiliate and still work with other programs and merchants to earn additional income. To get started, you will need to apply to join its affiliate program, which takes about 5 minutes. It's by far one of the easiest application process. The commission rate varies between 50 and 70% depending on the product type. Payment cycle: around the 10th day of each month to accounts that have made more than 10 units of a country's currency. The payout methods are PayPal and direct deposit. Number 6. ShareASale. ShareASale is one of the fastest growing CPS networks established in 2000. It helps in increasing online sales and monetizing content. It includes various solutions related to agencies, merchants, and affiliates. It is rich in tools like recruitment tools, storefronts, custom short links, and many more. ShareASale supports publishers of all sizes by monetizing their content with trusted networks, help in tracking campaign performance, and provides robust reporting. Top-notch technology solutions are available to monetize the platforms, provides fast and consistent payments through a variety of payment options, including checks and direct deposits, includes various effective tools like attribution solutions, advanced tracking methods, custom commissions, and more. Track the cookieless coupons at the time the coupon code is used. The commission rate for ShareASale depends on the merchant. Payment is done on the 20th of every month with a minimum payment threshold limit of $50. Its one-time network access fee is $550 plus $100 as a deposit. Payment options for ShareASale are ACH or physical checks. In conclusion, ShareASale is good for its easy sign-up, reporting, and tracking features. It just has an outdated design and does not pay with PayPal. Number 7. Awin. Awin is another top affiliate program for beginners. It doesn't require you to have a website. You can join using any of your social media profiles like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Connect You, just to name a few. All affiliates applying to Awin undergo a compliance check verifying their details. You must also make a $5 deposit to join the program, which Awin will reimburse once you reach your first payment threshold. Awin offers access to 21,200 brands, including leading brands and household names. You can visit the company's advertiser directory and search for any program you want to join, or contact someone from the brand to discuss a collaboration. The commission rate on Awin varies based on rates decided by individual seller. Payment cycle: on the 1st and the 15th of the month for the previous month's commission, you need to earn at least $20 in order to cash out. The payout methods are ACH, BACS, or international wire transfer. Number 8. Rakuten Affiliate. Rakuten Affiliate Publisher Program has the 3rd largest market share of affiliate networks at 7.25%. Rakuten is connected to over 2,500 different brands that sell all kinds of products. Find the item and merchant that suits you best and then click on the apply button to proceed. One of the more unique elements of the Rakuten Affiliate Program is that most of the companies are heavily involved in the affiliate screening process. If you are not a good fit, don't be surprised advisor, the answer comes back as a no. But once you have gotten approved, the rest of the process is simple. Find the offer that fits your content or ads, generate your link, and then start earning money as an affiliate. The commission rate on Rakuten varies based on the partner merchant's commission rate. Payment cycle. Rakuten pays out 90 days after it has been paid by the merchant. You must also earn a minimum of $50 in commission in order to receive your payment. The payout methods for Rakuten are check or direct deposit. Number 9, PartnerStack. PartnerStack is a B2B partnership platform founded in 2015. This includes solution partners, affiliate partners, and referral partners. It provides 200 plus partner programs of recognizable brands with free access to the marketplace and no hidden fees are charged. It helps in automating the launch and scaling of partnerships, promotes your program, builds custom onboarding, create flexible offers, and more. The top features of PartnerStack are: automates launching and scaling of partnerships, provides thousands of qualified brands to choose from, provides monthly payment accurately and automatically, enables you to earn commission from top SaaS programs. Flexible partner programs are available, including conversion through links, leads, and deals simultaneously. The commission rate for PartnerStack is 15% plus $500 per month for the light plan and 15% plus $800 for the pro plan. Payout schedule for PartnerStack is 13th of every month with a minimum payout of $25. The payment options for PartnerStack are PayPal or Stripe. In conclusion, PartnerStack is good at cookie tracking, managing referrals, and payout. Number 10, GiddyUp. GiddyUp is suitable for beginners because it offers an affiliate manager and helpful tools to assist you with different aspects of its program. You can partner with over 150 direct-to-consumer brands across a range of verticals, including travel, electronics, health and wellness, and more. GiddyUp's affiliates get exclusive access to these e-commerce businesses. The company also provides a creative library to assist your digital marketing campaign, robust tracking and real-time data so you can analyze your performance month over month. Monitoring your performance can help you identify opportunities for improvement and earn more commission in the future. The commission rate for GiddyUp varies based on referral types. Payment cycle. The 1st and the 15th of each month. You must earn at least $25 in order to make a withdrawal. The payment options for GiddyUp are foreign bank transfers, ACH, and checks. Depending on your niche and personality, there are different affiliate networks that may be better suited for you. Once you have picked an affiliate marketing program, you would have completed your journey into affiliate marketing. If you want to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner, I recommend you watch this video next. Bye.